I think everyone can hear me right now, and myself. I mean, hmm. Let's continue. This is the high. Let me check. Volume is coming, streaming is on, everything is on. The current bitrate is low. How much it is? It's 2000, 4000, 4 MB. It's fine. I think it can manage. Hmm. This is the high. High broken again. Surely. Ascending. It's an ascending correction. Yeah, not a channel, it's a correction. Broke the low twice. I mean, thrice. Still playing there. This wick shows it's intending to go down, but this wick should be on the top, not in the middle of anything. That's a new thing to learn. This is the recent law. When this kind of wicks come on the top, you can say that the trend is changing in some way. I want to build my own perspective. Okay, it broke the high again. It broke the high again. Yeah. I'm not gonna be in a trade. It's just a trial. No, I'm not gonna keep it 31. I'll just keep this thing. Yeah, 65 pips. Let's see, I'll be in a profit or a loss. This is a stop loss. I'm not being in a trade. That's just an assumption. That's bad. Most probably I'll exit. Hmm. What the hell? Oh, see here. If I take a trade here, for sure it's gonna come up. Like if you want some impulsive trades, yeah, this will come at least till here. It's not an assumption. That's a knowledge I have. See, as is the low. This is the most recent high. See, as this broke the high, I can keep this as the recent low. Then I'm risk free and I'm in a profit of 1%. See, these candles, if you want just a 1% or a 2% every day, you can just look for these candles at the top or at the bottom. It's education to myself. If I go out, I have a 1% in my hand. Sorry, not there. 1% is not there. Here, is 1% only. It's 2%. Okay. I'm holding a percent in my hand. This is a high. It went down. If it breaks again, it didn't break. See, if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. I'm risk free right now. See, now my recent low. See, it's not a rejection. Actually, I need to make it bigger. And I have to do. I can't see. It's a small screen. The recent low should be here. Why? Because everyone broke their own high. This is the only one it didn't break its own high. So till now in my pocket, I am holding as 1.1% of profit. If I want to get out, I will at least have a 2%. This is the like eager trades, I guess. There's no word like that, but if you want to be, if you want to trade eagerly, you can choose these kind of candles. Those are the wikis. This is the high. This is the recent low. If it breaks, my stop loss will be there. I don't have any problem if I get out of this trade. It's okay. I have a good amount of profit. At least it's 20 pips. Yeah, the 20 pips rule is pretty good by gorilla traders. 20 or more. Yeah, I have 1.1%. Third one, 1.1% profit. And still now I'm in a sorry. This is the most recent high. This is the most recent low. This is the egg. I just cleared the. See, the market is just impulsing itself, rejecting itself. I'm not getting any clue that what the market is trying to show me. I'm not any pro, so don't quote me on anything. I just traded impulsively. I mean, strategically, you can call it. These kind of picks. I can take a buy again and have a good profit. This is the stop loss. Like, I'm not gonna take the small trades again, but I can take the profit again, I guess. Hmm, that's a good lesson for me. How much profit would I be having? Like if I enter here, so I entered here, right? Till here, that's 0.8. It's very low. It's 18 pip, 20 pip, but in the loss, I have 39 pips of stop loss. That's a good educational thing. That's not a trade actually. I would have been thrown out. Okay, if I place this again here, and was is a big wick. I've broken the roof in a second. That's nice. That's a new thing I got to learn. That's a learning for me too, and you too, if anyone is watching in the future. That's a 60 pip. Nice. If I'm too eager, I can just go take a 2% profit and leave. Or I can be and take a 10% profit if I just watch the trades properly. Yeah, most probably I would have been rejected somewhere here. Like this would be my profit. 36 pips. How much is 36 pips in percentage? Let me see. In percentage, it's a 1.5%. It's not bad, but I wasn't in the trade. See, I'm not looking for a 1%, 2%. I'm looking for 10%. See, 1% I can make easily. My aim is FTMO, funded trading. That are my goals. So the small things doesn't count. Oh, I forgot to play. Next time I should remember. It's fine. I'm not just saying that anymore. Where is the high? Oh, it's way far. This is the low. This week shows it wanna come down. So see, wick knowledge, candle knowledge is like easy. Anyone can get it. If I was about to do option trading and at this moment, I would be a king of it. But I'm not. That's a good thing. It can go up again. Oh, superb. It will completely come up. That's great. See, till here. I said here, right? 30 pip, at least a percent. But I'm seeing nothing good in here. Okay, I need to think smart. Let's say if I was in a trade in here, this is just assumption of an assumption. Great. If I was in a trade in here, see, this is a new thing that just popped into my head. I would keep it 20, like 50, whatever. I'm not saying the stop loss. It went down. Want to create two new lines. That's the low. This is the recent high. It went up, rejected again. If I was to see, it rejected, it went up, but it didn't break it here. So 800, it rejected again. This is the low. Actually, I should trail the stop loss, right? But at this moment, when this high breaks this thing, then only I usually take a stop loss and change. It didn't break, so when it breaks again, this low again, which is here, I should wait till then. That's how a trade should be like. Okay, when it when it broke, yeah, it actually broke, right? Here, then my recent high should be somewhere here, and then it's down. The recent low should be here. Until I break this high, I should not change the low. As the low changed here, I should change the recent high. The recent high, wait a second, it went up, it rejected. This is the low. I'm getting confused. I want to see it in a bigger scale. The smaller scales are not working that good. Mm, this is the low. This is the only candle that broke. Whenever it breaks its own low, I should be trailed. That's the concept. That means not this. It broke the low. It's high. Okay. If I kept it here, I would be out here. That's what should happen. Till that time, I would have a profit of 2%. Just a 2%. There's no chance of trailing then. Whenever we exit a trade, that means whenever we are thrown out from a trade, that means the trend is changed. That should say that I'm gonna if I take a trade here, if I yeah, this is just if session 26 whatever. I keep it again. If I was in a trade in there, there's no way I'm in a trade in there. But if see keeping this ifs, I can make a profit of this if word. Okay, there's no reject. This is the first rejection, but didn't broke the low. No one broke this low. It went up. It's not, and there's no rejection. There's a rejection, but it didn't break the low, so it's straight. Okay, there is a rejection. There is a recent low. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm gonna remember it. Sure, like remind you again. It rejected again. When it hits this high, usually people scale up, and I want to be a part of it. So broke the low again. For this session, okay, it rejected, and this is the last maximum low. So no, this is not the maximum. Okay, this means it's gonna fall down. It clearly shows it's gonna fall down. Oh, if I follow these kind of strategies, can I win? Actually, how much? It's like 1.2%. But this is just an assumption. This is a real trade. That is also assumption actually, but I'm in it. This is the rejection, so this is the low. So this will be my stop loss, whatever it is. And the high should be here. It broke the high. Oh, okay, sorry. I just trailed it fast, but now it the stop loss will be there, not before. It rejected. If it breaks the high again, the stop loss can be trailed to a risk-free as a risk-free trade. Okay, it broke, but it's not that clear. But if I want to be in profits, I should just follow the only rule, risk-free rule. Okay, okay. Now I'm risk-free and holding a profit of 0.5%. Okay, I got out. What would happen next if I have not trailed? I got rejected with 0 or less. You know, trailing is the key. Okay, control check. Yeah, it works. See, trailing is the key. I got rejected somewhere here. Yeah. If we trade like this, then only we can make a profit. Now it's changed. So as soon as it changes, we should look for a new opportunity. Opportunity. People call it is posh English. Okay, that's a great way to say. Yeah, I could have probably made 2% there and a half percent here. That's done deal. It's locked. Both are locked. Hmm. This is the low, the most recent rejection high. Before reject, wait a second. Let me see. What should I say? The most recent rejected high or the most recent rejected low? Yeah, yeah. The most recent rejected high. After rejected high was the proper word. If this, yeah, this impulses show again, it has a power to buy. In Forex, we have only two options, right? Yeah, the most recent high is here. See, it's my wish. I'm keeping here. You may keep it here. You may keep it here. I just want to see. This shows it doesn't have like a momentum. This shows this doesn't have upper momentum. This shows it doesn't have lower momentum. Okay, it doesn't have the upper momentum. That's fixed. Yeah. If I come to the if session again, if I buy here, if this if session only, so if I buy here, I'll use two new thing. This is the high, and this is the low. It didn't reject. It rejected itself. Oh, actually, it locked this thing. Oh, it's locked. Locked up. Oh, it's not locked. It's locked. Okay. Trail it here. Next, it rejected itself again. So it should be trail. The low should be here. The high should be like here. Hmm. As it rejected itself, the high should be here. The low should be that one. So I can be a part. Let's see if this if session. This is the high. If I'm aiming this 2%, whatever. This thing shows it's gonna bounce up badly. As I said, see, whenever I should see this kind of wicks, I should cancel the trade or do whatever. Oh, how this kind of momentums are coming into existence even. I just can't believe this is a great strategy to follow. Now the low should be here and the high should be here. If it breaks its own low, no. Oh yeah, it broke its own low. It's fine. It's correct. If it breaks its own low, the stop loss will be here. Or else I should take it loss. If I have any fixed goals like making a 2%, 5%, then I have a upper hand in this game. I didn't break. Okay, it broke. So the recent low is here. 10 minutes. This is the most recent low. This is the most recent high, sorry. And now I'm risk free again with a 0.6% in profit. Yeah, this is a masterpiece idea actually to say. Yeah, I'm out. If I have not trailed like that thing, I would have been taken 2% of profit. Man, this is a miraculous idea. I can do whatever I want. Okay, good for today. Uh, there are a few issues, and I will continue the next session at night. Means after 10, 8 p.m. Indian time zone. Just log this. This is a great session I can call. I call it as a if session. Thank you. In future, for the people who watch or don't watch, whatever. I'm just taking a screenshot. Screenshot doesn't work, I guess. No, oh, it's working. This is the thumbnail I'm using. Great. Do subscribe.